How to make a woman to think about you. To make a woman think about you, it's important to create a lasting impression and establish a genuine connection. Here are some strategies that can help you achieve this. Be confident and authentic. Confidence is attractive, so be comfortable in your own skin. Be genuine and true to yourself, as women appreciate authenticity. Show interest in her thoughts, opinions, and experiences. Engage in meaningful conversations. Be a good listener. Pay attention to what she says and show genuine interest in her life. Ask open-ended questions that encourage her to share more about herself. Remember details about her interests, dreams, and aspirations. Bring them up in future conversations. This demonstrates that you value her and are invested in getting to know her better. Show kindness and respect. Treat her with kindness and respect at all times. Small gestures like holding the door open, offering compliments, helping her with something can go a long way in making her think about you. Show empathy and understanding. Be supportive of her goals and ambitions. Be mysterious and intriguing, while being open and genuine is important. It's also beneficial to maintain an air of mystery. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Leave her curious and wanting to know more about you. Share interesting stories, hobbies, or experiences gradually, allowing her to discover different facets of your personality over time. Create memorable experiences. Plan unique and memorable dates. Activities that she will enjoy. This could be anything from a picnic in a beautiful park to trying out a new adventure sport together. By creating positive and exciting experiences, you'll leave a lasting impression and make her think about you even when you're not together. Be supportive and encouraging. Show support for her goals and dreams. Encourage her to pursue her passions and be there to celebrate her achievements. By being a positive influence in her life, you'll become someone she thinks about when she needs support. Wants to share her successes. Give her space. While it's important to show interest, it's equally important to respect her personal space and boundaries. Avoid being too clingy or overwhelming. Allow her to have her own life and maintain her independence. This will make her appreciate the time she spends with you and think about you in a positive light. Remember, building a connection takes time and effort. Be patient. Be yourself. Focus on building a genuine bond. By following these strategies, you can increase the chances of making a woman think about you, potentially develop a deeper connection,